truck's guts.
Well, it's Happy Lad Wednesday here today. Hello, Frankie. Oh, look out. We're back here at Wakefield Park.
Oh, that's completely right.
Oh, beautiful.
Golden weather too. It's scorching hot.
Turned it on. It was 39 here yesterday.
Yeah.
No good. What are you up to there, Mandalorian?
Oh, just doing some
Mandos?
wheel nuts and change of wheels.
Right, okay.
Yeah, so.
We've got a secret weapon today. We've got new Intima pads.
Oh.
RR stands for.
Thank you, Professor. Very good.
Also, don't forget addition of a rear sway bar.
Oh, no, another gift from the Professor. The gifts keep on coming here.
They do, and
Professor.
There's
for PBs today.
very good, all good. No, we've got the 1.8 to back it up. We've got another fellow driver here. G'day, mate.
Today.
How are you?
Yeah, not bad.
You're going to take the old Bavarian mobile out.
Yeah.
Right, give it a go.
You could call it that.
Yeah, nice one. Oh, very good. We've got some turbocharged power here and some new control arms out here.
Yeah. New control arms.
Right.
Brake ducts.
Oh, geez.
Plastic Audi ones.
Right, okay. Very good.
They're under there somewhere.
Right, very good.
And I've got a secret weapon.
Oh, no, okay.
It's strategic weight.
Oh, okay. Right. Maybe that'll
I'm joking.
help a bit of lift off oversteer, maybe.
Tow bars don't help. But
No. Well, at least you don't have a stop sign
It is a compromised car. So.
welded into the back of your car, as dear old Frankie and Diesel there. All right, so we're going to head out. Red Group has just gone out, and we will head out soon to our first episode here at One Raceway. Talk to you soon. Particularly good-looking Hondas here today. Have a go. This from the BYP stables. Very exotic. It's got all the brakes, all the aero, all the cage, H pattern. What do you think of that, Frankie?
I wouldn't mind having a go.
No.
Beautiful little car.
Absolutely. So this is where the old watchtower used to be. That's been knocked down. Now it's just this beautiful open area here. Very different. Spent a lot of money on this track, and thank goodness for the community and motorsport in Australia, keeping grassroots motorsport alive here at One Raceway. It's a huge credit to the Shelleys. They've done an amazing job. Together groups and speeds of drivers and professional driver breathing. So let's get out on the main straight and see young Jeff. Here goes young Jeff on the back of the track there. A slingshot, as they say. Here he comes. The Volkswagen power here. Down the straight. Go, Jeffrey. Oh, someone pulled out of the pit lane. Was that a brake lock-up? Well, Jeff's just come back doing a 117 in the Bavarian mobile. And we do seem to have a GT40 or something that's caused himself a real mischief down here. We'll have a look. There's a Raceway 86. Another Bavarian monster. An XL. And look at this cyborg. Look at this. This is the Mirage for the boys to copy. Look at this. Very nice. Wonder what times it's doing. It's a toe of shame. Unfortunately, that's the end of his day. Run, Dallas! Run, Forrest! Run! Eyes are on this 2.4 litre powered Mitsubishi. And gives us a referential position against how the Mirage is going. Here comes the Scrodery. Here comes the Mirage. Let's go. Here he comes. Honking. Yoo. Super 200SX. Go, you Mando! Let's put Frankie go up the hill here. Here he goes. I can see the Red Bull. Go, you Red Bull. Oh, car behind him there. Oh, right on his tail. Come on, Frankie, give it to old mate. Made the gauntlet. I've got to do a 13. You did a 114.
No pressure at all.
No pressure.
You haven't been in this car for
No.
a couple of years, and
no.
it's made a couple of changes, including brakes, a new engine. Yes.
Green tyres. Woohoo!
But if you come back with anything less, that's a fail.
That's a fail.
Yeah, yeah.
What about this bad girl here?
Well, you did a 109 already,
Right.
and
109.
we've proved the point, have we? Mum's going to be unhappy if you do.
Have a look at
much
these
more.
tyres here. Work out which ones are the fronts and which ones are the rears.
Well. Yes. Not great. But anyway, enjoy, have some fun.
Will do, buddy.
We put some ballast in the car to slow you down a bit.
Oh, okay.
That's all good. Bit different to the last time you drove it,
Oh, that's such a cool car.
ain't it?
It's like a go-kart. So different. And now it's got some grunt too.
Well, enough to be a little bit of fun,
Yeah. And it's got some brakes too. I tested them out.
Yeah, good, aren't they? Best $83 over cement.